sitting on the monorail waiting for it to go. Close the doors, please. Oh, now we're trapped. We can't get out. I want to be where the Magic Kingdom is. Now we're going inside.
We're now passing temporary resort.
I want a buffalo chicken sandwich. It's right there. In the Contempo Caf. Fantasia and pin trade there. I need a coffee. Great Lake Tower, the coolest bridge ever.
When is it?
Space Mountain. There it is, Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom. Now to find my party. There they are. Well, there's one of them. Taking pictures. Got her. Yay, tarps are down. But we got a bunch of bushes.
No more.
Look, isn't that different?
The little brick?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does look different.
That is not what it was before.
Do they do new windows?
I don't think so. A little fire station. Alright, we're gonna go take a look at the windows.
Yeah.
Just to see if they changed, but I don't think they did. I think they were just updating, painting, putting a polish on it. Flowers. But no, they're very much the same. I'm gonna have to look, because this looks totally different. I don't think it was brick before, but I'm not sure. Watch it always been brick, but I just noticed it. Looks like Groot is going through puberty or something. I can't even understand what that song is. Can we stop it? No, Groot, stop. This really blew up. I would never have thought Guardians of the Galaxy would be this big. And oh my god, that is so cool. You can be a rocket raccoon. And now we got Starbucks.
I got 4 pins out of the new summer package.
Ooh, and look, they spelled my name right. Did they spell your name right?
Yes.
What about Sophie?
You got a picture? Water.
Sophie doesn't have a name.
You got a picture?
Did you just check the makeup?
Yes.
Windy balloons. Turns into a zombie apocalypse movie whenever it starts to rain. Everybody starts running for cover. Aww. This is broke. Oh, that rain. Carousel of Progress has never been so popular. No dance party.
Preview many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
Oh, that Space Mountain.
The People Mover is the perfect.
Try to get it
Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
All the cars are docked.
Whoever's painting the bleachers.
Yeah.
Like we're eating at Disney World. What am I supposed to do with that? People mover. That one.
What? There's barely anybody on that one. Pass off.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
It always puts a damper on it. Nice move. There's mountain. There's mountain. It's still raining. Where are we gonna run to?
An umbrella.
Well, we have two in the car. That's how it goes. If we brought it, it wouldn't have rained. We're gonna try to make a mad dash through the rain to get to Space Mountain. Or we're gonna try to play finding the driest way possible. Everybody using the people mover for cover. Oh.
There's good for something down here.
Yeah. Just gotta get right there. I think this is where we have to dash. Is there thunder? Hide under this tree. Oh, more dry spot. Oh yeah, we made it.
Is there a line?
Just gotta go a little bit more.
We have to ride the...
We're doing it. Oh. Yeah. So much water. There's an announcement right now. I don't know why.
You getting harder?
Come on, go through. Just gotta touch it. Use both sides.
Standing fast, come on.
Take it out of the plastic.
It's always a cluster to get in here. A roller coaster type ride. Not a roller coaster though. Look at those. They make me sick.
Or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expecting mothers should not
Space whales.
passengers may not high school may
Disney's been adding a lot more of these videos. Station Magic Kingdom 1.
For your safety, please do not sit on the moving handrail.
I think he needs oil. BB-8.
Please do not sit on the handrail.
Come on. Well, the good news is the cars started going. Well, except for that guy. Person. Woman. Scariest ride. Look at that sky. Oh look, only 100 minutes. The funnest ride here. So smooth. I love it so much. Peter Pan. See how long the wait is. Okay, 75 minutes. The Colombian Harbor House. So Chloe got her Mickey straw.
Do they usually serve it with that? Mm-hmm. That's silly. Straw, though.
Tiny little moon. It's all pretty and colorful now. Purple. But we noticed that there's some new kind of flag thing. Beach towels. I think it's to hide fireworks. Cause now they have, yeah. Cause now they have fireworks that are right in front of the castle. We're all foolish mortals tonight. Oh, look at that sunset. Right over Thunder Mountain. Cast member just told us if the person in front of us isn't moving, just to assume that they have died and move in front of them.
I laugh in the face of fear. Oh yeah, these move. The pictures move.
This is my favorite. Which one's your favorite? Is that everybody's favorite? It's the ballerina.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
Bats. Freaking love bats. Yeah. Well, this is my favorite one right here. Medusa. Looks like they're stuck on daylight savings time. Churros. Well, those are pretzels. These are churros. The big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Hello, hello.
You're gonna touch one more time upstairs.
Bing dong bong ding. I want that sound as a ringtone. What? This is Fast Pass? But there's not supposed to be a line in Fast Pass. That's a nice boulder.
That is a nice boulder.
I like that boulder. One of our boulder attractions.
Take it for granted.
It's actually sediment.
Out and ready for me, guys. Use both sides. Have those fast passes out and ready for me.
Girls ready?
Watch your kids. If any of you folks are going to chance at that, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Yeah! And now it's time for wishes. roller coaster ever, the Barnstormer. Any ride with Goofy driving or flying or piloting would be scary. Oh yeah, for a seatbelt. The lamp bar. Get your intense face on.
Scary the Primeval World.
Primeval World?
You don't know?
No, Primeval World is way scarier.
Primeval World's so fun at night though. I want to do that again and again.
Gorsh! Like the little girl screaming in Lost World, getting attacked by those little dinosaurs. This is the part of Barnstormer that sucks. It's the exit.
I know.
It takes forever. 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 Wow. The one and only. Come back soon. Oh, we will. We will. But what doesn't have a long wait is... I don't know if you guessed it yet. The Adventures, or the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. What? It makes noises. There's an encyclopedia over there. Volume H. H is for honey.
One day in the 100-acre wood.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that
They
dream.
need to update this, don't they?
No, they do not. This is perfect.
Really?
Best effect ever, right? Oh no, it's right here.
Haunted Mansion stuff.
Oh, he's floating.
Let's have nightmares are made out.
Little tiny umbrella.
So very, be wary.
Gathered together to say,
Hooray!
Hooray!
Look at that tape. That's what I'm You know the voice of Pooh is also the voice of Illuminations?
No. You're never too old to go on a merry-go-round. We are moving! Look at it! We're moving! So fast! And after riding, you always gotta try once. Alright, not today. Well, this usually means it's the end of the night. Aww, they ride together on a horse. We're doing the story in reverse. Cinderella doing all the work. Evil Lady Tremaine. Good night, Cinderella's castle. Good night, Main Street. Good night, Cinderella Castle Light. Good night, Cinderella Castle Arch. Good night, Cinderella Castle Moat. Take one last look. Very blue. Goodbye. Goodbye, partner statue. Never got a picture in front of you yet. Probably should. There's Mickey. Alright, I might need to take a picture, or try to at least. By Main Street, train station.
Bye, Mountain Kingdom. Bye, rain.
Much needed jaw freeze. Stay awake for the road home. No sugar though. I mean, they have sugar, but I don't want sugar. Well, good night, Mickey Topiary.